Top 10 universities sa Pilipinas na pinaprioritize ng mga HR managers ng mga malalaking kumpanya at mga medium-sized companies for the year 2025. Simulan natin sa number 10.
Number 10 would be STI College, which is known for information technology and business-related courses.
Number 9 is Technological Institute of the Philippines na kinikilala sila sa kanilang mga engineering graduates at the same time sa mga kanilang IT graduates.
Number 8 is University of Cebu, which is known for its maritime and business courses.
Number 7 is University of Mindanao. Because of their multifaceted graduates, they are hired by multinational special based in the Visayas and Mindanao region.
Number 6 would be Batangas State University, which is known for its engineering technology courses.
Number 5 is Mapan University, known for its engineering graduates and IT graduates that are required by mostly construction and development companies.
Number 4 is University of Santo Tomas, the oldest university of the Philippines. And graduates are usually in demand sa mga BPO, call centers, IT, business consulting, and hospitality fields.
Of course, number 3 is our alma mater, De La Salle University. They're known for their business and accounting graduates. At the same time, they're known for their IT and healthcare graduates too. So marami nangangailangan sa mga De La Salle graduates.
Number 2 would be University of the Philippines, which has a strong reputation in almost all of its courses.
Number 1 in the list, of course, is none other than a school known for scholars ng bayan, as they say, Polytechnic University of the Philippines. They are known not only for their technical background, but most importantly because they have a team player attitude. That means they work well with different people in any organization, which helps the organization moves faster moving forward. No?
Kaya kung gusto mo ng good career with employers in the Philippines or beyond the Philippines, ang pinaka-importante, inaaral nating kurso ay dapat in demand sa tamang universidad. Pag nakuha mo yung tamang kurso sa pinakasikat na universidad ng kursong yon, mas mataas ang magiging posibleng career mo sa buhay. Kaya dapat edukasyon ang i-invest natin sa bawat lipunan. Yan ang tinutulak ng Ilocano Defenders Party List number 55 sa balota.
Huwag natin kakalimutan, right course, right university, and right attitude. These are the 3 key elements so that you will have a better life and you have a more prosperous future.
Ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sain, yung coach ng bayan.
Ako po si Michael Sain, yung dad ng bayan.